Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Nidhi and I hope you all are safe and doing well. So this is a video where I'm going to update you some things about my life and why I was not uploading since past few days, or I should say it has been a month from when I have not uploaded a single video. Actually, I have filmed videos, but they have not turned out beautifully filmed as such videos. So this is just to let you know that I am now good and I've recovered. And yeah, a lot of you who already follow me on my Instagram knows that I was COVID positive. किसी को पता नहीं चला था इनिशियल स्टेज की ये कोविड है, बट धीरे धीरे ऑल द सिम्टम्स विच आई हैड वर ऑल कोविड सिम्टम्स एंड द चेकअप वाज डन. दिस सेकेंड वेव इज समथिंग विच इज़ वेरी डेंजरस फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट वेव एंड हर तरफ ये दिख ही रहा है कि सेकेंड वेव कितना डेंजरस है. आई नेवर थॉट दैट आई विल कॉट कोविड बिकॉज मैं सारे प्रिकॉशंस लेती थी, मैं अपना ध्यान रखती थी, बट समहाउ इट जस्ट इन्फेक्टेड मी एंड आई एम स्टिल रिकवरिंग बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं आपके बॉडी पे वो इफेक्ट कर जाता है एंड वीकनेस वगैरह की वजह से आपको बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स फेस करनी पड़ती है. सो आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू सम थिंग्स which helped me during this entire process to be sane. That is, do your checkup, but don't go or admit yourself unnecessary to the hospitals if not required, because there are so many people. And personally, if you will go to the hospitals, it is very risky for your own self, because you will be transmitting your virus to the other person and other person's virus will be transmitted to yourself. So don't go to the hospital, stay at home, quarantine yourself, whatever is required, get those helps to your place, but don't go outside. And wear your mask at home also. Eat good food, healthy food. Although इस ड्यूरेशन में आपको कोई टेस्ट नहीं आता है, everything tastes sweet and you crave for sweet also, but eat good and don't eat फालतू की चीज़ें. Do your exercise, which I apparently had no strength to do, but you should do exercise regularly, because who are physically strong can initially fight this very well. And take your multivitamins every day, take steams every day, uh, drink milk every day, haldi wala. And yeah, all those things. Also stay positive, don't see news which is flashing up everywhere, because इस टाइम पे आप ऑलरेडी इतने वीक होते हो, तो अगर आप न्यूज़ वगैरह देखेंगे तो आपके अंदर इतनी नेगेटिविटी आ जाएगी कि आप चाह के भी रिकवर नहीं कर पाएंगे. सो डोंट बॉदर योर सेल्फ बाय दी नेगेटिव things surrounded by you. Take a break, just relax in peace. um, Read, watch, whatever makes you feel good, do that, but just don't open the news, because at the end it is your life and you alone have to go through all these struggles. So please don't open the news. And there were a lot of issues which I faced yesterday, which is BP low, and I was feeling nauseous, unconscious, and I was sweating badly. And in the morning also, I was not well. Uh, I was almost choked, and I was not able to breathe. So it is very difficult because your body is so weak that a little bit harm can be so much troubling for yourself that you cannot even imagine. Just stay safe, and अपने बारे में नहीं तो अपने फैमिली के बारे में ज़रूर सोचना. बहुत ही अजीब सी फीलिंग होती है इस पूरे ड्यूरेशन में. आपको होप्स नहीं होती है कि आप सर्वाइव कर पाएंगे कि नहीं. आपको नहीं पता होता है कि आप अकेले इस चीज़ को कैसे फेस करेंगे. एंड और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं, लेकिन एक ही चीज़ आपको मोटिवेट कर सकती है, वो है ये कि you have seen worst, and this is just another phase of your life, and you can be a survivor. Just fight through this phase, and you will win. Definitely you will win. With that note, I will now get lost. Sorry for this mess, क्योंकि I don't feel like getting ready from many days. um, that is why I am in this phase, but I hope you will understand. And as soon as I recover, I'll start posting videos, or I will vlog little bit here and there and post from now onwards, because I'm still not going as lockdown 2.0 happened, and I feel this was much required. Although people are roaming still, जिनको समझ नहीं आ रहा है, अभी भी उनको लगता है कि उन्होंने अभी तक इस चीज़ को फेस नहीं किया. आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग, बट people are still roaming. But yeah, I think I'll vlog. And I shopped a lot before this, because इस महीने हमारा न्यू ईयर आता है. सो उसके लिए मैंने बहुत सारी शॉपिंग कर ली थी प्रीवियसली. तो वो सब धरा का धरा रह गया, बिकॉज आई वॉज इन द बेड एंड नथिंग वॉज देयर विच आई कैन डू. इतनी हिम्मत नहीं होती थी कि उठ के बाथरूम तक जाके नहा लो. सो आई होप कि जैसे मैं रिकवर करूँ, अ लॉट ऑफ fun videos will come up. And now I think I should go. I'll now see you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourselves, take care of your families, stay home, stay safe, wear your mask if you're going out. Please don't go outside unnecessary. This is a phase we have faced this previously also. We will be able to overcome this phase if we take some little precautions. And it is us who can take care of ourselves. So please take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in my next video. And I hope कि आप लोग सेफ रहेंगे, आपकी फैमिली के बारे में सोचेंगे. I'll now sign off.